Fucking piece of crap. There we go. Woo! I'm going to keep it down to about 215 because the whole place is shaking with this sucker. We're going to change up what we're doing right here. So, I've decided to cut this blank in half. It's going to be too much trying to hollow out this big old thing. I thought it'd be about this much, the biggest. So, we're probably going to do it about right there so I can still use this other piece. All right. Alright, let's go get this bowl blank back on there. It's funny to see things like this in the middle of a log. That is looks like a limb or something. It's definitely a pith, so we'll see if that's throughout the log. I think it might be because I think something's over here. We'll see. Thought I'd show you what roughing a bowl out does. Got a mess here going on. Roughed out that white oak bowl. It's about 13 or so inches. So yeah, got a mess here. There's my new power head. There's my old one. Thought I'd keep it and just rough out bowls with it and use this one for finishing work. Now on to that one. Now I'm going to put this on the shelf and we'll come back to it in about 4 or 5 months, see how cracked it is. Holy shit, stuff's turning to sawdust. Got these 2 piths, and I've got a bug hole that goes all the way through. Oh well. Be right back, I'm going to switch it around. Alright, so here they are. Got them with some anchor seal on them. Got a little bit of air flow in here, and they're going up on the shelf. We'll check back with these in about 6 months or so. Probably get a couple of cracks at his end grain bowl. We'll fill that and we'll go from there. Alright, until next time, stay cool. Alright, here we are 4 months later. And you can see that big old crack right there. There's another one on the other side too. I think that one was just too thin. The other one seems to be doing good. I'll put a little bit thicker. Alright, till next video! Shit.